So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to the demo session of the Tosca. Okay, so in this class, we will discuss about what is Tosca and why we need to learn the Tosca and what we will provide exactly, and everything from scratch we will try to understand. Okay, so Manam, generally we will understand what the Tosca is. Okay, so before that, let me introduce about myself. Okay, later we will take the introduction of some of the candidates. Okay, so like who has joined here, I don't ask more questions, I will just ask like a smaller things. Okay, yeah, I will have my intro first. Yeah, so my name is Rajesh, guys. Okay, so first of all I want to introduce about myself, and I am Rajesh and I have almost 10 plus years of experience. Okay, so my name is Rajesh, as well as I have 10 plus years of experience. In that, I started my career with manual. Okay. So I worked as a manual tester. Means initially when at that time, manual testing is very good. So I started my career with the manual testing. Later, I worked as an ETL tester also. Okay. So I got a chance to work as an ETL tester in one of the MNC company. Later, currently, I'm working as a Tosca lead, Tosca test lead or test lead. Okay. So currently I'm working as a lead and I have almost only in Tosca from last September, I got 6 plus years of experience. Okay. So I have almost in September, I got six. So 6.3, totally 6.3, 6.2. Yeah, 6.2. So I have almost 6.2 years of experience only in Tosca. And coming to the domains, right? So I'm familiar domains. In the domains, I have good understanding, and I have worked for healthcare domain. Okay, so and I have also worked for what you called insurance. Okay, so there is one company called Mass Mutual, and AIG is the client for healthcare. Okay, so next one, I have also currently I'm working on the telecommunication. Okay, so I'm working in the telecommunication, and I have also supported for the retail. Okay, so these are the domains which I'm aware of, and the remaining domains also I know, and I have supported for the couple of domains like energy and utility services. Yeah, so these are some domains which I have previously worked, and I am the panel member, guys. Okay, so in one of the MNC company, I'm working currently, working in MNC company. So yeah, I'm working in the MNC company as a test lead. Okay, so I will take the interviews. I am a panel member, so I will take the interviews also for the person who has more experience, right? So L1 and L2 both I will take, and I will take the senior person interviews, guys. Okay, so coming to the training, right? So training will be on the generally training we will teach it in the real time basis. Okay, so for example,
Excuse me,
I'm
sir.
yes, yes.
Sorry for the interruption. Somebody's joining with their mobile number. I'm unable to recognize those who are. Could you please say get
Mm.
him to join me?
Guys, can you please change your number to the name, please? If you couldn't able to do that, let me know. Yeah, who has joined with this number, right? So can you please change your name? So please join with your original names. Okay, please join with your original name so that you will understand. So please don't do this thing. Remove it, guys. Yeah. So join with your names. Change it. Okay. Anyway, so I will train on the real-time basis, guys. Not like the regular definitions and all. No, I won't teach it. Generally, my teaching style and everything will be in the real-time basis. So currently, I'm working in at now also I'm working in MNC company. I will try to put all my project in front of you. Okay. So I will put, see, generally in the market or in the Google or YouTube or anywhere, you will see only what is Tosca, how to automate the Tosca. No one will tell what is a folder structure, right? Or the folder structure you need to follow in the project. Okay. So folder structure or project structure. Okay. How you need to do the project, how you need to structureize the project, everything. So I will put my entire project in front of you so that, for example, if you put 2 to 3 years of experience in the Tosca, right? Then what the interviewer will ask you, hey, what you have done in your project, right? So what you have done in your project, right? So ఇలాంటి questions అడుగుతుంటూ ఉంటారు, right? So they will ask these kind of questions. Okay. So you need to able to answer it. So this entire training will be in a dynamic way, and it will be definitely I will teach you on a dynamic way as well as the project based learning. Project based learning will be there. Okay. So now, okay, so I want you to introduce about yourself so that I will understand what type of persons we have. Okay, just don't do anything. I will call out the names. Just so and so. My name is this and that. My name is, for example, I can see Bharat. I can see like, hey, my name is Bharat, and I am from Andhra, or Andhra. I'm from Telangana, or yeah, I'm from Bangalore. From where you are, and currently, which either you are working as a manual or non-IT. That's it. Three words. That's it. Okay. So 3 sentences. So one is this and where you are from. That's it. Okay. So I will introduce about myself again. My name is Rajesh, and I'm born and brought up everything in Vishakhapatnam, which is my hometown. And I currently I'm staying in Hyderabad. So I'm working in MNC company as a test lead. Okay, so this much, and I'm a Telugu guy, guys, and I know Hindi, English, and Telugu. So these three languages I'm very comfortable. You can speak with me in any language. There is no language barrier for me. I can understand these three languages. Apart from that, just introduce about yourself in these three languages. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, first one I can see Anirudh.
Hi Rajesh.
Yeah, hi Anirudh.
This is Anirudh.
Yeah.
I'm from Hyderabad. I'm working. I have 3 years of experience working in a support project.
Okay. So working as manual tester. Huh?
In production only, support role.
Okay. What is your role, Anirudh? Role, exact role in the
Yeah, so
your
we.
company.
Yeah, so yeah, I work in an MNC, and my exact role defines from starting to ending of the software development life cycle, and we used to manage everything.
No, role in the sense like test analyst, associate consultant, product
Associate.
analyst. Huh?
Associate.
Associate. Okay, thank you. Thanks. Happy to see you here. Archana.
Yeah, my name is Archana. I'm from Kerala, in Trivandrum. I have close to 10 years of experience in software testing. I'm into manual testing. Currently, I'm working with a company called Spurdian Technologies. It's a product-based company, and my domain is healthcare insurance domain.
Okay.
Okay.
Good. Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks for
thank
that,
you.
and
Yeah,
happy to see you here.
yeah.
Yeah.
The feeling is mutual. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Hey, hi, Ashok.
Hey Rajesh, I think good morning.
Hey, hi, good morning.
My name is Ashok, and I was born and brought up in Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Totally, I have 5+ years of experience as a manual tester. Now I came to learn the process automation. So I work for the domain like OTT platforms.
Oh, okay, good. Thank you.
Yes.
Happy to
Thank you.
see you here. Yeah. So
Yeah.
Bharat,
Same here.
welcome. So Bharat, hi Bharat.
Hi Rajesh. Yeah, like I'm from Hyderabad. I'm working in one of the MNC. Like I had a previous experience in UFT and Selenium, and currently I'm working with UiPath, and I'm
Oh,
into SAP.
UiPath.
I'm looking with Tosca with SAP.
Okay, good.
Yeah, my domain is with SAP.
SAP domain, which one? Hana.
Yeah, yeah, no,
SAP
yeah,
ABAP. Which
yeah.
one?
No. It's SAP Fury. Like
Fury.
UFT.
Okay, okay. Got you. Yeah, good to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Irfan. Okay, next.
Hello.
Irfan, go ahead, Irfan.
Yeah, hello Rajesh. This is Irfan here. I am from Andhra, from Kakinada actually.
Okay.
So I am right now working in US as a QA lead. I work for a software company,
Mhm.
and that is mainly payroll systems. We do that. Atmosphere
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all those stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. So what is your role? Like exact role? Like associate, consultant, senior consultant,
I'm QA lead here.
QA lead. Huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Good, Irfan. Thanks.
Thank you.
Happy to see you here. So next, Kanaka.
Hey, hi Rajesh, hi
Hey,
everyone.
hi.
This is Kanaka and I'm from Bangalore but currently working from Melbourne. I work for the energy and utility domain here. I'm a automation lead here.
Automation lead in Selenium.
No, actually, I've been joined for the Tosca projects. So earlier
Okay.
I was doing with Python and Selenium. So Tosca is
Mhm.
something for me. So I'm here to learn.
Okay, you know Selenium then, basics of Selenium.
Yes.
Okay. Then at the end, I will ask one question. Like I won't ask any question. There is a comparison of Selenium and Tosca. You need to tell me whether I'm right or wrong.
Okay.
Excuse me. Yeah. Thank you. Next, I can see Madhava.
Hi Rajesh, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Myself Madhava. I'm from Nizamabad. Right now I'm working as a QA engineer. I work for medical devices,
Okay.
software as a medical devices.
Yeah, got you. Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Madhava. Good to see you here. So MK Naidu. I can see MK Naidu.
Yeah, hi Rajesh. My name is Mahendra. Basically, I'm from Hyderabad, but currently working in Bangalore location in a startup organization
Mm.
as a manual tester. So my role is quality assurance engineer designation.
Okay. See, why I'm asking the role is like, see, based on the role, I can guide you. So that's what I want. So that's why I'm asking. So that somebody will have different roles, like whether they will accept or not. So that's why I'm just asking your exact role. Okay, good, Naidu. So happy to see you here. For manual tester, any other testers who want their career to be converted into a non-coding tool, right? So then Tosca will be the good one. Okay, very good. So thank you. Thanks, Naidu. Good to see you here.
Thank you.
So yeah, next Nagendra.
Yeah, hi Rajesh.
Hi, Nagendra.
I'm having total 3 years of experience in software testing.
Okay.
Currently, I'm working on a manual testing. Currently, my designation is test engineer.
Okay. So you're from Nagendra?
Andhra.
Andhra. Okay, Nagendra. Thank you. So happy to see you here. Nilima.
Yeah. Hi, Rakesh.
Hey, hi, Nilima.
Yeah, I'm from Vijayawada. So currently I'm
Okay.
working in one of the company as a QA analyst too. So I have around 5+ years of experience into manual testing and API as well.
Okay. Okay, Nilima. Thank you.
Thanks.
So after Nilima, who is the next? 1 minute. Sahiti.
Hi everyone, this is
Yeah, hi.
Sahiti and I'm from Anantapur. Now I'm working in a startup company. I have 2 years of experience as a manual tester and my role is associate quality engineer.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it from
Yeah.
me.
Okay, Sahiti. Happy to see you here. Next, Teja.
Oh, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Rajesh.
Hey, good morning, Teja.
Myself, Vijay Krishna Teja. I'm working as an associate consultant in Capgemini. I'm from Anantapur. Currently I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay, Teja. So
Thank you.
happy to see you here. And
Thank you.
Saujanya, I can see Saujanya.
Hello, good morning, Rajesh, and good morning, everyone. This is Saujanya. I am from Hyderabad. I'm having total 5+ years of experience in manual testing, and currently I'm not working. I want to shift to Tosca side. So, yeah, that's it.
Okay, Saujanya. Thank you.
Yeah.
So all are from the testing background, most probably. Good. Next, Vamshi.
Hi Rajesh, good morning.
Good morning, Vamshi.
I have 6+ years of experience in IT and 4+ years of experience in as a manual tester and 2 years as a performance tester. And currently, I'm working as a manual tester and my designation is associate. And currently, I'm working in Cognizant and I worked there in a retail domain and e-commerce. Yeah.
Okay.
This is all about.
Good, Vamshi. Happy to see you here. Next, Vijay. Vijaya, sorry. Vijay is done, right? Or
Vijaya.
yeah, Vijaya. Go ahead,
Good
Vijaya.
morning, everyone. I'm from Telangana. I'm not working. I'm staying in Hyderabad.
Okay. Thank you. So again, we will come back. Okay. So hope I have covered everyone. If I missed someone, right, please go ahead. If I missed anyone, please go ahead with your intro so that I will understand.
Yeah, hi Raj.
Okay. Yeah. Who is that?
Hi. Yeah, this is Naidu. I'm from
Yeah,
Visakhapatnam. Currently working as a test engineer for the AI project. Before I worked for the logistics project.
No. Okay. Thank you. Okay, guys. So hope everyone I have covered everyone. So one or two I have missed it. But yeah. So again, I'm telling you guys, my name is Rajesh and I have 10+ years of experience. So here you need to concentrate here, guys. So in the last, okay. So till last you need to concentrate. I will clearly tell you the difference between the manual testing as well as Tosca automation testing. So stay tuned, guys. Okay. So first one about the Tosca. Okay. So what exactly the Tosca is? Okay. So Tricentis is a company who has built this Tosca. Okay. So that's why we will call it as Tricentis Tosca. Okay. So Tricentis Tosca is a continuous testing platform that delivers fast feedback for the Agile and DevOps. Okay. So what the plan for the Tosca? So it is a particular tool, okay, which will perform the continuous testing platform that delivers fast feedback for the Agile, and it will allow you to design automated functional end-to-end software testing across all layers of your architecture. Enterprise architecture means, for example, if you want to automate, for example, I have a Flipkart. In the Flipkart, I want to order 500 iPhones. Then you can easily automate without writing a single piece of code. Okay. So what the Tosca will do, Tosca can be used for the risk-based testing. Okay. So we can use the Tosca for the risk-based testing, guys. Okay. So next one, we can also use this for the test management. Okay. So if you have a huge test data and you want to run all the test cases with this test data, then you can write it. Okay. Next, you can automate the manual testing process. Okay. So manual testing process. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, Rajesh. A quick question here.
Yeah.
So in my project, right? So we use many systems like Sitecore, Salesforce, SAP, and yeah, so SAP CIS and SAP ERP. Okay.
Okay.
So is it possible to do the integration testing between all this application and also have test case such that for Sitecore I'll have few test cases and respectively for Salesforce and SAP, and then do a integration testing joining all these applications together? Is it possible in Tosca?
Yes, it is possible. But see, in a single test case you are asking, or you want a multiple test cases?
Okay, I want to know what are the options available. Basically,
So stay tuned. At the end, you will understand. Okay.
Okay.
So good. I got you. Like if you have a different systems in order to do the integration test, and whether we can club all these things and we can do it or not. Okay.
Correct.
So at the
Yes.
last, I will answer your question. But yeah, I got your question. Okay.
Yeah.
So let
Thank
us
you.
see the basic. Yeah, good. So ask questions at the last. Okay, everyone. So I will give a lot of time to answer the questions. But yeah, good question. So I will tell you. Okay. Next one. What we will do, for example, we can automate the manual testing. Okay. Analytics also you can do it. Okay. So you can analyze the reports or any Power BI reports you have, right? So you can automate it. After that, you can automate the API testing also, which we will cover as part of the course curriculum. And we have the big data or any database testing or any BI report table, database validations, or any report generation you can easily do using Tosca. And you can do continuous integration. Okay. So what is say, it's not about the integration, like how you have continuous integration and continuous testing, right? So you can run your test case in the agent and you can run it in the local also. Okay, simple. Just understand the subject. Okay, don't like I will tell you each and everything in detail. Okay. So after that, we will do the test management. Next, load testing, impact analysis. Okay, service visualization, the reports kind of, and exploratory testing. Without knowing the test, we can explore it and we will do the testing. And these all things are the model-based testing approach. Means these all things you can automate using Tosca. Okay. So using Tosca, you can automate all of the things without writing a single piece of code. Simple, guys. So you can write all these things or do all these things without writing a single piece of code by using the model-based testing approach. Okay. So what is model-based testing approach? I will teach you. Generally, we will have script-based and model-based. So script-based will look like this. Okay. So script-based, something it will look like this. Okay. Yeah. See, this is a script-based, right? Guys, this is a Selenium with Java. Okay. So in order to automate one thing, you need to write this much of script. And in Tosca, there will be no script. Okay. So just understand the points, and in your mind, everyone will think that, so why we need to learn the Tosca, right? So everyone will think this point, why to learn the Tosca, right? So why to learn the Tosca? Why? Because the first major and important thing is like codeless testing automation tool, guys. Okay. So Tosca is a codeless testing automation. Means there is no code at all, zero code. Okay. I will prove it. Okay. Just you remember zero code. Okay. Next one. So Tosca is a zero code automation tool and it can automate multiple applications. Okay. It will support multiple technologies, like you can automate SAP, you can automate Salesforce, or you can automate any database, API, manual testing, web application, desktop. You can do lot of technologies. Okay. So that too without code. Okay. So there is no code and you can automate all the application without writing a single piece of code. That's why you need to learn the Tosca. See, for Selenium or any other tools, right? Apart from RPA tools, Selenium, using Selenium with Java, you need to write a bunch of code. Okay. But you should not, it's not the case. Okay. Yeah. So see here. So there is no code. Asal code anede ledu, right? So there is no code at all, and it will support multiple technologies. Okay, all technologies anni ఇది automate చేస్తారు, right? So in this case, everyone will choose a tool without writing a single piece of code. So that's why the Tosca is became famous nowadays, and you can learn the Tosca. Okay, that's how you need to learn the Tosca. And now Tosca has introduced one AI generated also. Okay, so artificial intelligence capability. Okay, so the Tosca has the capability to uniquely identify, else you can scan the module or you can automate using the mockups. For example, screenshots. If there is any application like this, for example, okay, for example, I have the application like this. Okay, it is an e-commerce application. So what we will do generally, without having the application got built at, you can take this particular screenshot and you can automate it. Okay, by using artificial intelligence, call it as Vision AI. Okay, they are calling it Vision AI. Using Vision AI, by taking this screenshot into the consideration, and they can automate it. Okay, how they will do it, I will let you know. Okay, guys, my voice is not good, so you need to bear with me. If you couldn't able to hear my voice, please let me know. Okay, so I have some cold, so it got started. So my voice is, I thought of telling you before, but yeah, if you couldn't able to hear my voice, then let me know. Okay, so next one. So there is a artificial intelligence capability, so that's why you need to learn the Tosca. Okay, third one. Next one, it is a model and risk-based approach. Okay, so what is model? Simple, guys. Instead of writing the code like this, okay, instead of writing the code like this, we will convert that into small box. Okay, and you will use this box. Okay, what is this? I will tell you. Okay, so that's why you need to learn the Tosca. Next one. So continuous integration and continuous testing means, for example, I have 100 test cases. Now there are 100 test cases. Okay, so out of these 100 test cases, you have developed 20 test cases. Okay, so later other 20 as a bunch you have taken 20, 20, 20, 10. Okay, now you have automated these test cases. So next test case you can automate it, but you can run it in the different, these 20 test cases you can run it in the different machine, and you can parallelly build these particular next 20 test cases. Okay, means there is a parallel execution, and there will be a continuous integration and continuous testing also you can do it. Okay, how you will do it, I will let you know. Just remember, so that's why you need to learn the Tosca. Finally, it is easy to learn and use it. Okay, so now how the Tosca will look like. So this is how the Tosca will. Yeah, this is how the Tosca will look like. See,
Rajesh, sorry for interrupting.
yeah.
It will support mobile applications.
Yes. That is the next slide. Okay, we'll wait. Yeah, so answer for your question is yes, using yeah, so it will support the performance testing, mobile testing, everything. Okay, yeah, see, this is how it will look like, guys. Okay, so instead there will be no code at all, but you can automate any kind of functionality using Tosca. Okay, see it here, guys. So generally, any script based, right? In the script based tool, it will look like this. But the non-scripting tool, or if there is any model based approach tool, right? So it will contains only the model kind of a model, like a block of code. Okay, a box of code. That's it. You don't see any code which is written. The Tosca will write the code for you. See here, you can see there is nothing at all. See, there is no code at all. So just it will show it as a block of code. See, this one we will call it as model based approach. See here, to take the screenshot, we will use it. Okay, so to open the URL, for example, I want to open the URL. Okay, so if I want to open the URL, see, this is the module. It's a model based approach, but in script based, you need to write the code. See, in order to launch the URL, you need to use the driver.get method. Okay, so Kanaka knows the Selenium, so she can be able to do it. Means others can do, just I am telling, and I will ask one question so that you can, we have a real time profession also, right? So she will answer which one would be easy at the last. Okay, see it here, guys. So this is the model-based approach. And see, it is easy to learn and easy to see interface. See here, this is a code. You need to understand what code it is and how they have done it. What is these a package and what are those? But here there is no code at all. Okay, easily you can see it here. See, there is no code here. Okay, so no code involved in here. Just you will pass the test data. That's it. Okay, so we will see it, guys. Okay, so one by one we will go. So easy to see the interface and use it. Okay, so next one, what types of testing we can automate using Tosca? Okay, so what are the types of testing we can automate using Tosca? We can automate web application testing. Okay, say anything in the World Wide Web, either it can be Azure, AWS, any web application, e-commerce application, web application like e-commerce, healthcare, or any application in the world. Okay, you can automate like Flipkart, Amazon, or any application, either it can be intra or internal. Okay, intra means it will be in the internet, will be in the World Wide Web. Intra means our, for example, our client will have some internal apps, right? So those kind of applications. If it is anything in the web, okay, so anything in the web you can automate it. How you will automate it, I will tell you. Step by step, I will tell you this. Okay. Next one, desktop applications. You can do desktop application. For example, somebody told me SAP, right? So SAP is a desktop application, right? So you can automate the desktop application also. Okay. Next one, SAP generally. Okay. SAP sales and distribution, SAP FICO, SAP Fusion, or what ABAP, whatever you have, you can easily automate the SAP testing. And the Tosca has provided some of the standard modules also. Okay, see it here. The temperatures are a bit down. Okay, see it here. There is an SAP. See, you can see the SAP logon. Okay, who knows the SAP, right? So this is the basic functionality. For any SAP, you need to log on and you need to log in. You need not to write any code. The Tosca will provide you. Okay, so you can do SAP. You can do Salesforce applications. You can do mobile applications. Okay, you can also do a database testing. Okay, you can also make ETL testing. Okay, you can also automate the API testing. You can do performance testing using Neoload. Okay, so there will be a plugin with the Neoload. Using this Neoload, you can automate the performance testing also. Okay, database testing you can do. Whatever you want to do it, you can do it. Either it can be AWS, okay, AWS, Azure, Amazon Web Services, and Azure. Okay, Azure, any applications you can easily automate without writing a single piece of code, guys. Okay, so all these things with the zero code, I will prove. Okay, so I will prove it. So without writing a single piece of code, you can automate any kind of applications. Okay, all these kinds of applications. Note down your questions. I will give some time. Next one. So what are the benefits of Tosca? So before you are learning the Tosca, right? So you need to understand the benefits. Okay. It is a scriptless automation tool, guys. Okay. Tosca is a scriptless automation tool. There is no script at all in order to automate any test cases, right? No coding is required. Okay. So that is one of the benefit. And next one, it is suitable for the large scale operation. If you have a company with multiple technologies and huge amount of the data, by taking the help of Tosca, you can automate any kind of testing. Okay. Next one, test management. I told you, right? So you can manage your testing also. Next one, mass updates. If there is any mass updates, right, you can easily handle using the Tosca command. Next, very, very important, the reusability of assets. For example, we have tester 1 and we have tester 2. In any kind of testing, right? So we need to share our work. For example, I have automated one work. I want to reuse the same work, right? So you can use the reusability using RTB. We'll call it as reusable test block. I will explain you guys. Just remember the reusability is possible in Tosca. That's it. Okay, simple. Next, quality vendor support. See, Tosca is a paid tool, guys. It's a licensed tool. I will tell you. But since it is, for example, you have purchased one TV. Okay, there will be some service team, right? On the same way, if you are purchasing Tosca, then there will be a support team. Okay. For example, you have stuck at one point, you don't know how to proceed further. You can connect with the respective team. Okay. Next one, easy to use interface. We have easy to use interface. Next, a model based automation. I told you, right? So model based is like you won't write any scripts over there. Next, cross browser testing, you can automate it. Means you can run all your test cases or all your executions using like you can do cross browser testing also. Okay. Next one, end-to-end test automation. You can do end-to-end test automation. Okay. And there is a AI powered testing also. Okay. So you have AI powered testing means there is an introversion of artificial intelligence using vision AI. So remember this point, there is a concept called vision AI. It will blow our mind, guys. So when I saw this one is very interesting, which I have added in the course curriculum. I've learned it and I've added it. Okay. So next. So these are some benefits, guys. Okay. See, simple. One tool is automating every application. Okay. One tool is automating all these things, that too with the zero code. Then this will boom in the market. Currently, it is booming in the market also. Okay. So we have good opportunities for Tosca, who has 2 to 3 years of experience. They are very good in the market now. Okay. So we have understood what are the benefits of Tosca. So let us understood what our course curriculum contains and what are the technologies we will teach it in the Tosca. Okay. First of all, we will start with the Tosca web. Okay. So we will clearly tell how to handle each and everything. Okay. So if it is a web, right? If it is simple, guys, if it is a table, okay, you know how to handle the table. Okay. So there is a table like this. Okay. If you know how to handle this table, then table is common in any web application. Table will contain rows and columns. That's it. If you know how to handle this particular table, if you understand the concept, in SAP also they will have some tables. So if you understand the table concept, either it can be web or any other thing. So for example, there is a drop down. Okay. So drop down will only contains the drop down values. Okay. So if you click on this one, a drop down will be opened here. Okay. So if you know how to handle this drop down, you can handle it anywhere. Okay. So that's why Tosca web is very, very important in order to understand other technologies like Tosca SAP, Salesforce. Why? Because see, Salesforce also in the web only. So Tosca web is very, very important. Later we will go for the desktop, okay, which is equal to the SAP. Okay. Next one, database also we will teach it. Okay. So how these ODBC connections are done. For example, I want to extract one data from the database, how you will extract it, that we will explain in the database test. Next one, API testing. Yeah. So we will do API testing also. Okay. You can automate the API testing. See, guys, our primary focus will be on automating the database testing and API testing and web application testing. And I will tell you what is database testing and what is API testing. The basics I will tell you. Okay. Next one, we will go for the SAP also. And what we are doing, we are planning to, okay, what we are doing, we are planning to, from this batch, we are adding the Salesforce also. Some part into Salesforce. Okay. Salesforce also we will teach. Some part, not all the parts. Okay. So all the SAP credentials, all the SAP, everything I will provide you guys. You don't worry at all. API I will provide you, the database, how to install it, everything I will tell you. You don't worry at all. Come with an empty mind. I will fill Tosca in your mind, guys. Okay. So next one. Okay. So Tricent is AI driven automation. Okay. So I will teach you the Vision AI also. See, guys, I will tell you one thing. So Vision AI is a AI driven testing automation technology that allows team to automate the application under interface independent or the underlying technologies. Okay. See it here. What from here understand, with machine learning, Vision AI will see and steer any interface just like a human user. Means how you are doing it, the Vision AI will do the same thing. Okay. And it will learn. So what is machine learning? If you done one operation one time, the Tosca will adopt its learning. Automatically, it will memorize it. Okay. So this makes your automation framework future proof as a adoptable, further proof as an adoptable as a human brains. Like how you will remember this flow, right? So similarly, it will do. From here, see it. For the first time, you will be also be able to truly shift UI testing to the left. Means you will put the UI testing, manual testing on the left side. Means you can push it. How? See guys, this point is very interesting and it will blow our minds. Okay. With Vision AI, you can create your automation already based on the simple mockups or the screenshot or UI description. Okay. Simple guys, you won't do anything. You will open one page and you will design it. Okay. Okay. So I need to have one search button over here. Okay. So I need to have one register button here, login button here. How you want, for example, I want logo. Here I want one logo. After that, I want to have one body. So in the body, I want one drop down over here. Okay. For example, I want one drop down. So in this way, you will design it and you will name it. Okay. So what you will do, you will name it like this. Okay. So you will logo. You will name like this. Okay. So by taking this screenshot, you can automate it. Okay. Not like you need to wait till this particular application is completed. Those days are gone actually. AI is evolving like anything. Okay. See it here. This one, before developing any application, right? For example, you have any banking application. Okay. In the banking application, you can see it here. You will draw this one. The developer will develop the code, right? So without the code, you can scan this one using the Vision AI. See here, you can take the simple mockups and UI description before any code is written. See how it is. Without writing a single piece of code, without any code, the developer will develop it, but you will automate it. See how interesting it is. So enable you to test much earlier in the development life cycle. They are planning to change the development life cycle directly. So AI is evolving like anything else. So you need to learn the AI technologies also. I will teach this Vision AI. No one in the market is teaching Vision AI. Why? Because they don't know and they can't show it, but I will show it. Okay. You don't
But
worry. You just.
yeah, thank you, Rajesh. Rajesh, a question here. So if by wireframes, if you generate the script as well, but after getting the real application, you need to rescan, right? Because
No, no.
there might be many, no?
Yeah, that's how it is. See, actually now the Vision AI still it is in a development phase. Okay. So definitely the what you have told is right. But in future, after some of the versions, right, it is self-healing, auto-healing. For example,
Oh,
no
okay.
need to rescan by yourself. What it will be doing when you're running the test case, right? So when you are, for example, you have taken one value as X. Now it is converted into Y. So it will automatically convert into Y. So that self-healing is being in process. So still Vision AI, yeah, I'm about to tell you this, but yeah, so Vision AI is still it is in a development phase. Once it is comes actually in the market, right, then you need not to do anything. Just you will scan it and you will do it. Okay. Anyway, in the further classes you will understand. Very good. Very good. Next, certifications. Okay. Coming to the certifications, we will provide all the certification, guys. Okay. No one in the market who is providing all these certifications. Okay. Coming to the certification, first of all, we will have couple of what we will provide from our team. Okay. So from the basic to medium and intermediate and advanced also we will teach you. Okay. First one certification we will provide is like AS1, automation specialist level 1. Next level 2, automation specialist level 2. TDS1, test data services. TDS2, AE1, automation engineer. Okay. Next API. So till here it is a combination of these two are basic and these two are intermediate. And finally, we have one certification nowadays which is becoming very popular, that is TOSCA Product Consultant Certification, which is advanced level certification, guys. So now all these things, okay, these all things they have converted certification to badges, but this is the original certificate. You will get it. Okay. You won't get it from the institute. You will get it from the Tricentis directly. Okay. So Tricentis will give you this certification. Now you are very curious to see how the certification will look like and how the badges will look like. Okay, so AS1 badge will look like this, and we will give that credentials, the business email ID, everything we will provide, guys. Okay, see it, guys. You can share the badge. Okay, next AS2, you can share the badge. AS2 and TDS1, you can share the badge is LinkedIn and anywhere wherever you want. Okay, next one TDS1, AE1 and API. So this is how previously these all are certifications. Now they have clubbed all the certification and they are providing one product consultant certification, which it will be provided by the Tricentis. Okay, see here. Here you can see a Tricentis. Here you will get your name. Okay, has been completed Tricentis Tosca product consultant certification. Here you will get your name. See, you are getting from the Tricentis, not from anywhere. The company is directly giving that certification. Okay, so when it is issued and what is the certification number? So it has been in June or July. I think it's July, August, September, October, November, 4 months, 4 to 5 months. We have 4 to 5 months. They have introduced this certification. Okay, you need to do this one and put it in the LinkedIn. Okay, so next at level of proficiency level is advanced. Okay, proficiency level. Next expiration, it will be for 1.5 to 2 years. After 2 years, you need to again take the exam. Okay, anyway in between you will get the job. And see, in order to get the latest technology, right, if somebody is added, you need to learn that one. So that's why previously there is no expiry date. Now they have expiry date also. Okay, so this thing you will get it at the end of your classes. Okay, so next one, who should take up this course? Okay, so if you are a manual tester, then you are good to take this course. Okay, excuse me. And if you are an automation tester, Selenium with Java, and now you want to shift your career from Selenium to Tosca, then you are the correct person. Next, software engineer, SDET. Okay, test manager. If you are a test manager, మీరు ఒక test manager అయితే. Next, Tosca specialist who knows only web and they want to learn the other technologies also. Then you can take up this course. And non-technical background person also, you can do it. Okay, so apart from this manual tester, any freshers it will be less, but yeah, you will have good one. Okay, so these are the things you can learn it. Okay, next one, highlight of the trainings. What are the highlights of training here? So the course duration would be, we are planning to complete 40 to 45 days. Okay, so 1 minute, 1 minute, guys, 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, guys, see here. The course duration would be 40 to 45 days. And we will provide you the interview tips. Okay. Since I am the panel member, I know what the interviews. I will inform you the interview tips. I will tell you how to handle the interview. For every topic, I will give you the interview question right away so that you can parallelly prepare it. Okay. Next one, weekly assignment I will give you so that you can understand the subject. And interview question and answers, I told you, right? So I will give you the interview question and answers. What are the possible questions based on the topic? I will tell you. Okay. Next one, CV. Once you are done with your course, then I will give some templates. You just change it. I will review it. Okay. If I want to add anything, I will tell you to add and I will help you. Later we will do hands-on experience. So here we will teach only the real time. Okay, so you will get some hands-on experience and I will put my entire project in front of you. Next one, mock interviews. We will provide you the mock interviews. So we will give 10 days of time, guys. Okay, 10 days time is done. Okay, to prepare your subject. Okay, and come, I will take the mock interview and I will tell you where exactly you are. Okay, next one, tool installation we will do it. It is a paid tool. Yes, we will do it. Okay, next one, license activation 3 to 4 months. మీకు అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ కావాలి అంటే ఇఫ్ యూ నీడ్ మోర్ దాన్ దాట్ దెన్ యూ కెన్ connect with the admin team and you can get it. And business email ID. No one in the market will provide all these things, guys. Yes, in order to get the license as well as in order to get the certification, the license is mandatory. So the business email ID is mandatory, guys. Okay. So these are our promises and we will do all of these things. Highlights of the training. Okay. Next one, very, very important. Now concentrate for 5 minutes. Okay. So it here, guys. So now let us see, there is majorly in the market now booming marketing tool for the automation is we have two tools. We need to agree that one. The first one is like Selenium with Java. Okay, I will give first priority. Why? Because it is an older tool, guys. Okay, so the major tool which is available in the market is like Selenium. Next, after that, nowadays the Tosca is also booming like anything. Okay, so but the Selenium and Java is a coding, guys. There is a huge code which is involved. But in Tosca, there is zero code. Asal code anede undadu. Now you will ask me, hey Rajesh, from the starting of the class you are telling, hey, there will be no code. No code is involved in Tosca. No code involved in the Tosca. Right? So how to? Can you please show me? Prove me. Prove cheyandi naku. Okay? So if I want to prove you that, I can prove it, guys. Okay? So give me some time. Before that, since these two tools are very famous, let us differentiate. Okay, so what are the difference between Selenium and Tosca? Okay, Selenium is open source, guys. This is open source tool. Tosca is a licensed tool. See, we have 1 point over here, but we have one negative point here. See, we need to agree both. Okay, but Selenium will relies heavily on the coding. Okay, but Tosca is amount of the code involved is 0. See here, Selenium you need to do, or you need to write all this code in order to automate it. But in Tosca, there is no code involved at all. Zero code. For any test case, there is zero code. Okay. So see, for example, you are a person who has good amount in you. Okay. Now, if you want to expand your business, మీ business ni expand చేద్దామని అనుకుంటున్నారు మీరు, right? So you are thinking that you need to expand your business. Now you will put some investment, right? See, either it can be a licensed tool or it can be an open tool, right? It doesn't matter for us. Why? Because for using Selenium, you can automate only web and API. That's it. But using Tosca, you can automate SAP, you can automate Salesforce, you can automate all the applications. Okay. So if there, for example, you have nano car and you have a bench car. Okay. Even though the bench car, the nano car is very affordable, you will go for the bench only if you have money. Why? Status or features, right? So in that particular one, for example, you will have mobile for 10,000, 30,000, and iPhone is like 1,50,000 also. But if you have money, you will go for the bigger so that the feature is increased, the security is increased. On the same way, either it can be a licensed tool, but there is a zero code. So for understanding, it is easy. For everything, it is easy. Okay, so that's why everyone is migrating from Selenium to Tosca, and I will prove it, guys. Give me 2 minutes. Stay tuned. Next thing is very, very important. Now you will tell me, and in our class we have one Selenium profession also. Let us take the suggestion from her also. Okay, next one. Selenium, it doesn't have any dedicated support. Okay, we don't have any dedicated support, guys. Why? Because it is a free. If something is free, how we will have a support teams? Okay, next, Tosca have dedicated support team. Since we are paying the license, we have a separate team for it. And very hard to understand the code, and there is no code is involved. It is easy to understand. Okay, simple, guys. License and non-license, coding and non-coding. Support will be there, support won't be there. And hardly relies on coding. It is very easy to understand it. Now you will ask me, hey Rajesh, can you prove me? Can you show me one live example? Yes, I can show it. Observe this one, guys. Concentrate here. Okay, all concentration should be here. For example, I have one scenario. For example, client has came to me and asked me, or you guys, okay, hey, automation tester, I'm a bit confused about whether to choose the Selenium or Tosca. He has told like that. Now you need to prove him which one would be easier for him. He is in a confusion. Now what you will ask, hey, can you please tell me the requirement? So now I'm telling the requirement. See, I need to open this Parabank application. I need to click on this register button. After that, I need to provide all the value and click on the final register button. Okay. So now in order to show that demo, right? So first of all, I will choose the Selenium. Why? Because in our nature, right? So it's a free tool, right? So now I will, in order to automate this one, okay, I told you, right? Open Parabank application, click on the register button and click on the final register button by providing all the values. For the same thing, I need to write this much of code. See it here. Yeah. Till here, I need to write the code. See how much code I need to write. Let's run this. See how the code has built it. That is none of our business and that is not that much important. Okay. So now we have run this particular Selenium with Java. Okay. See here. What the Selenium with Java will do. Selenium with Java will open your browser. Okay. Yeah. So it will open your browser and it will launch the Parabank application. Okay. So once it is launched, it will click on the register button and provide all the values and it will click on the register button. Okay. Now see here. Now I want a Selenium folk to confirm. Kanaka, can you please confirm this is the code, right?
Yes.
For Selenium in order to automate the flow, right?
Yes. Yes.
You
That's
need to
right.
write this much of code. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So she has confirmed it. Why? Because we have a good knowledge person in Selenium, right? So now how I have done, just don't remember it. So in order to automate this one, you need to write this much of code. But in order to do the same thing, in Tosca, you will only use 1, 2, 3 steps. That too, there is no code involved at all. Okay. So now you will ask me, hey Rajesh, can you please run and show it to me? Yes, sure. So see it here. I am running the test case. Okay. What it will be doing? It will open the browser. Okay. And it will click on the register button. Okay. And it will provide all the values in the first name, last name, address, and it will click on the register button. The same thing you have automated it, guys. The same thing you have automated using Selenium with Java, which has huge code, and we have this one. See here. Yeah. So you have 1 minute. I don't know why this. Yeah. So sorry for that, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. So you have this open URL and you have done this one, but you don't write any single piece of code. You haven't wrote any single piece of code, but you have automated it. Now you compare this with Selenium. See this much of code in Selenium and this much of the code for this one. What if you have end-to-end flow, which has multiple steps? You need to write 1,000 lines of code, but here only few steps. Okay, so that's how I have proved the Selenium is bit harder compared to the Tosca. So that's why everyone is learning Tosca. By seeing this example, you can figure it out. For Selenium, it is very hard to understand the code. And here there is no code. That is a coding tool. It is a non-coding tool. Even though it is a coding tool, I'm ready to pay. See, for example, I'm a owner of the product. I have multiple technologies. One tool is automating everything. Then I will go for that one, right? So even though it is a paid tool, right? Yeah. So this is the real-time comparison, guys. Now I'm open for the question. You can ask me any question.
Hi Rajesh.
One by one.
I
You
have
go
one
by.
question. I have one question.
Yes.
Regarding compared to the Selenium and Tosca, what could be the execution runtime? Will it be the differentiate or else it will be the same?
The Tosca is fast compared to the Selenium with Java in some cases. Okay. So compare. So now you have seen this, right? So here it has taken now for better understanding or the smaller understanding, right? The runtime here in the Selenium is bit high, but the Tosca is bit faster. But see, it completely depends on the application. Why? Because in the application, based on the application, you need to put some weights, dynamic or static weight, right? So if you ask whole the runtime compared to Selenium and Tosca, the Tosca is bit faster, not like a huge difference, less difference, but yeah, it is fast.
Okay, like one more question is that in Selenium, if you write a code, like if you execute some of the code, if there is any errors, we can see that in the console window. What about the Tosca? If you write anything wrong, how we can find out those mistakes?
Yeah, you can find it out using Scratchbook. For example, you have done one wrong. Okay, here in the Scratchbook, it will show the execution is cancelled or any the element is not found. You can get it like this. And see, it is when you're running here, history won't be stored, but you need to run it in the execution list so that the history will be stored. You can see it in the Scratchbook, whether it is failed, why it is failed, the console part, you can see it here.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Good. Next question, please.
Hey, hi Rajesh.
Yeah.
Like how it will identify the fields, Rajesh? Like,
yeah, we need to scan it. That will be in the upcoming classes. Means, see, simple. Instead of capturing, so how you are doing Selenium or any other thing, right? So you will capture directly the backend web element. See here, this one. So it will take its class name, ID, index, its properties. Okay. So it will directly hit this one. But see, in Selenium, you need to write this one, write manually. For example, here I wrote, 1 minute. Yeah. So here I wrote identify. Okay. ID or ID equal to this one. I have manually wrote it, but Tosca has the capability. Once you have scanned a module. Okay. So once you have, since you have asked this question, so once you have scanned one module, right, it will capture all the web application. See it here. Very good question. See how you are scanning. Please don't concentrate on it. Just concentrate on the flow. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any web application, right? So let me close this one. Okay. So once you have scanned this one, the Tosca will automatically scan its ID, properties, whatnot. Within no time, see, it has captured all the application. See, it has captured the services. See, they can see one services, which is highlighted. It will see not only this, it has already scanned the contactors also, below one also. Just you need to use this one and save it. Automatically, the code will be written by the Tosca. That's it. Let me close it. Okay, see here. Yeah. So no ID is nothing. The Tosca will do by its own. Okay.
Yeah, Rajesh, a question which I asked you
Wait. One by
previously.
one. So yeah, the person who has asked this question, that is clear, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah, got it.
Sorry for that. Okay, so we are overlapping, right? So yeah, next, what is that? The integration part, right? So you have asked the integration. Yeah. So yeah, see guys, yes, we can do it in the single test case. What you can do, for example, I have one application with Salesforce. You will have one steps, right? So you can put that steps below here. After that, you can open the browser for the other one and you can club it. So based on the scenario, you need to do it. Simple. You got my point?
Yeah, so we can have those steps test set as that reusable test step block, and we can
Yes.
reference it here.
Yes, that is a different approach again. Yes. See, this is a normal. See, you know Tosca, right? So you know to bit Tosca. If I tell you reusable test step block, then it's a confuse. You know Tosca?
Yes, I've
Little
done
bit
my
you
AS1 certification.
ASN
So
certification. Yes. So what you can do, see, what is RTB reusable test step block is like, for example, I have one pop-up. I'm giving one example. See, this Chrome pop-up is common for everyone, right? So if this Chrome pop-up is common for everyone, so instead of using here, I will use it as a reusable test step block, so that you will use it, I will use it. But in some cases, your values would be different and my values would be different. So then I will use business parameters. Okay. So I will convert that into reusable test step block if it is a repeatable, if it is a reusable only. If it see in some cases, right, only you will be used it. Then why to do the reusable test step block? It is not mandatory. No, you won't use it. If it is
Okay.
you are thinking that it will be used with the other testers and it can be reusable for the other. See, Chrome pop-up for any application, the Chrome pop-up is common. I have handled it. Why you should do that again? What I will do, I will put it here. You use it. I will use it. Anybody can use it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Based on the scenario, you can do all these things. Yeah. Parameterization you can do simply. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. And
Next.
hi Rajesh. And how will we get the test report in Tosca? In Selenium, we will get from test engine, right?
Right. Very good. Very good. Very good question. Yeah. You need to ask these kind of questions. See, guys. So you can generate the reports. Okay. So you can generate the reports in the Tosca, whether how many test cases it got passed. See here. For example, I have any test cases over here. Yes. 1 minute. See, general, I will tell you the highlight, like what it is done, whether, yeah. So for example, here I can print the report. See, you can print the reports with logs, without logs, or any other thing. Okay. So if you want a detailed logs, right? So it will convert. Yeah. So what it will be doing, it can be started like this. You can use a report. Okay. So you can download it and you can save it. So it will be saved. It is asking only the file steps or how it should be. Okay. So whether to take the screenshot or not. Okay. I don't have PDF. So that's why it is opening in the word see. Excuse me. Yeah. Execution report and how many test cases it got passed and what is the pie chart and what are the steps you have and everything you will have it. If you have 100 test cases, it will generate 100 reports. Okay.
Thank you.
Very good. Very good.
Can
Yeah.
I ask
So
one more doubt?
yes.
How easy the code refactoring in Tosca when compared to Selenium?
Code refactoring in the sense, can you please elaborate it?
Yeah. And that means if there is any change in the ID of a button or an element, we can easily identify in Selenium because since we have extracted the XPath from ourselves only. So,
Yeah. So we have one more concept called it as rescan. Okay. See, not like it's not a coding, right? So you need to go back and you need to come. So for example, previously when you have scanned it, it is X. Now it is converted Y. Then what you will do generally, you will rescan that one. Okay. You will rescan that one like this. For example, previously I have scanned one module, right? So if it is not uniquely identified like this, okay. For example, if something it has changed it, okay. So now it is failing. Okay, you need not to since you have right. So since you have wrote the path right here, there is no nothing. Okay, it will be in the unmapped control. It will be going down. You need to remap it. That's it. You need to show the path. Okay. So previously it is one value. Now if it is another value, you can directly rescan. Not like you need to do it manually. The Tosca will do it. Just you do the rescan. Means rescanning and putting the old control into the correct control. Simple. Okay. Yeah, I will tell you. We have added everything in the course curriculum, but it is too early if you learn this one. Okay, without knowing the modules.
I have one doubt in CI/CD. Since you have mentioned like it supports CI/CD, so do we need to integrate with the Jenkins? So here there is a separate integration for Tosca in order to do the build.
Yes. See, yes, you're right. So in order to achieve the CI/CD, we need to link or we need to take the help of Jenkins and you need to automate it. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Next. Next question. Very good. Very good. Next. Quickly, guys. I will take one more question. Tomorrow I will take more questions. Tomorrow at the starting, I will take the second demo. I will take more questions. Then I will go for it. I need to jump into another class. Last question I will take it. Anyone have any questions?
Yeah, Rajesh, this is Irfan here.
Irfan, tell me.
Yeah, I saw the path you showed to test product specialist. But is that actually I was going through some YouTube what are the certifications and I saw and even Tricenter site as well. There is a like a Q tester or test management manager role, and as well as there is a when we have something custom script we need to write, we have to write like there is certification like extension developer as well, right? Which is used mostly in Tosca. They use C#.
Yeah.
So are there still there is a scope of writing somewhere as a if you want test management exclusively only, what is the difference between the regular up to the product specialist and test manager role in this?
See,
as
generally,
well as that one?
Yeah, from the role perspective, you asked me, right? So C# is the back-end programming language, not on the front end. Okay, anyway, I will teach you in the upcoming classes, but you saw C#, no programming language at all. But if you want to import the Selenium code, you can also import the Selenium code also. Okay, here there will be some option where you can import the Selenium code also. See here, you can run the Selenium script and you can use it. For example, if you have older systems and you want to automate it directly without wasting any time, you can take the plugins of Selenium. Coming to the roles, right? So it's completely depends. You have the, see, Tricentis is a company, Tosca is a product, and it has lot of product. Tricentis has built it, Qtest and all these things. Based on that, the roles will be in a different ways. We will have different roles. Okay. So yeah, generally it completely depends. For us, like, so we are an automation specialist and we are an automation product consultant. We all call it as product consultants. Okay, in the Tosca language, means in the Tosca prospect. Okay.
Hi Rajesh.
Thanks very much.
Yeah. Thanks.
Sorry, last time I'm trying to talk, but my earphones was bad.
No worries. Quickly.
I just want to hear the disadvantages of Tosca apart from the cost perspective.
Yes. Cost is nowadays they have reduced it. Okay, so previously it is very high. Now due to the increase in the demand and tie-ups, they have decreased the cost from recently. I can't tell the exact prices. So it completely depends, right? So, and one more thing is like 100% is automation is not possible at any case. You can't automate the captchas. You can't automate I'm the robot. So these are some disadvantages. Tomorrow I will teach. Okay.
Rajesh, one final question. Can we do the single sign-on automation as well, or is it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Single sign-on is possible. But yeah, completely depends. For example, if your single sign-on is asking for OTPs or any passwords, mail passwords, then it is a bit difficult, but you can automate that. Okay. So you can use the mail servers in order to connect to the mail and get the OTP, and you can pass it in the application.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
UFI also we can automate, right?
Yes. UFI is different actually. Now Tosca is also coding, bit coding, right? So here it is a non-coding. See, all the UFT persons are migrating from UFT to Tosca. See, basically anything you'll have web application or desktop application, these things only you'll have, right? So you can automate it.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So that's it for today. See you all tomorrow at the same time. So from my end, right, come with an empty mind. I will teach you everything in detail. Okay. So I have huge experience in Tosca and I know how to teach it and how to tell all these things. Okay. So it's not my recent batches. I have taken a lot of batches in the Tosca. Currently, I'm taking four batches, including you 5 batches. Okay. So yeah, I have huge experience. So come with an empty mind. I will fill Tosca in your mind. Okay. So hope everyone will join tomorrow also. Until then, have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Rajesh.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh.
Take care. Bye-bye. Take care.